Hey guys, my name is Freedom. How to add lights for your Blender 5.1. You can just click here. This is how it render. So now you can see this is the viewport display of render. This is a point light originally. You can just adjust in this way. This is a point light. If you want to adjust the light intensity, you can just click here and adjust the power. Now it's 1000. If you drag it, maybe you make it become 5000. 5000. It will be stronger. 10,000. It will become even stronger. So if you make it become like 500, then it will become a very weak point light. But actually, you can just make other lights. You can just add another light, another point light. You can add it here. Then you can change the color of the lights. Maybe you want it to be green color. Then the power, just make it about 200 or 500. 200, you can see. Now you have a green light, a green point light. And also, you can just add spotlight. For this spotlight, it is just like a ray. You can just press S and make it smaller. And then the power, if you make it like 1000. So now the spotlight, you can adjust the direction. So now, let's say now if I just add a plane, then you can see the effect of the spotlight. The spotlight, you can just make certain angle. It is really a spotlight. The angle is 45. You can just make it smaller. It will become just focus at a point. The power, just make it become like 50,000. It will become really strong, or just 10,000. You can adjust the color of the spotlight as well. Make it red, green, blue, any of the color. And just now you have a few point light. For example, this one. This is another point light just now. The spotlight, I move it away at here. You have this point light 500. If you make it 100, you can see now you have a green light. You can adjust. Then the cube, this plane, I just move it down so that you can see more effect, the lighting effect. And of course, you can just add another light, what we call the sunlight, or any of the area light. This is the sunlight. If you want to delete the lights, you can just delete it. The sunlight color you can change as well. And of course, the sunlight is too white. I may just delete it. And another way to create the light is just drag it here. Go to the shader, the shader editor here. Change it to the world. And under the color, you can change it to environment texture. Just drag environment texture. Just choose this, put it here. Alright, then you just go to open from C, program file, Blender Foundations, Blender 5.1, 5.1, data file, assets, not here, sorry, up, studio light, the world. You can just choose anything. Let's say studio. It is going to just create something like what we call the HDRI. This is the HDRI, maybe night. This also can provide the lighting. Sunset, you can see the sunset light, the sunset lighting. Here, city lighting, or forests. And of course, for this, you can adjust the light intensity as well. This is the strength. Now it's 1. If you put it as 0.5, it is going to become darker and darker. You can just drag it. You can see. Adjust the light intensity. If you off everything, it is it is going to be dark and only left the green light and the red light just now. Right, it is really easy. For this one, if you put it 1000, alright, that's all for today about the basic tutorials on how to create any lights and lighting effects. This is a full tutorials of the lighting for Blender 5.1, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you.